Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Jessie Lynn. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So really quickly, I have a giveaway for you guys. I'm giving away this Beetles Polygel kit that I received in the mail. So really quickly, it comes with 6 different polygels. It comes with a top coat. It also comes with a whole bunch of goodies on the bottom. It comes with some rhinestones, some gems, crystals, whatever you want to call it. It comes with dual forms. It comes with both the regular dual forms and also the stiletto style dual forms. So you could try out both of those and see what shape you prefer. It also includes some tweezers. We've got some glitter, some nail decals. It's kind of like chunky glitter and fine glitter. We also got some stickers. So this kit was kind of like ocean mermaid theme. So it comes with some of those stickers. And this is really interesting. So it comes with slip solution in a bottle. So as you know, some people for their polygel use the slip solution and they use base coat. I think that's what it is, but I'm not 100% sure. But top coat comes on the top of the kit, but it also comes with a base and it comes with a emery board and a polygel brush. The rules are really simple. I left them on the screen and they'll also be down below in the description box. So this has got to be like my favorite nail look. I'm using Beetles white polish. For white polish, I either use Beetles or I will use MAKARRT. They're my favorite. I'm also using this nail art brush that I got from Shein. I also got this little palette from Shein that I'm holding the white polish on. I had a slow moment, y'all. I'm so sorry. I forgot to mention like everything I did. So basically I use full nail covers. I don't know why I didn't show that, but I use full nail covers and I cut them down to the size, my preferred size. It was super easy, but all you see is I'm going in now and I'm just doing the design on the nails and then I'm just going to cure that. I used a little polygel brush and some alcohol to clean up just in case your lines aren't as precise as you would like them to be. But this nail look was super easy, and honestly, like I said, this is probably my favorite nail look to date. I don't know, I just love it. It's so sleek, it's basic, but it's like, you know, giving. I don't know. I've got a lot of compliments on my nails recently because I actually wore these for about a week now. They're still on my nails, and I'm just so in love with it. So something else I want to mention is that I did not do prep in this video. So if you're new to my channel, sometimes I include prep, sometimes I don't, but prep is very important if you want your nails to last a very long time. You can watch one of my other videos, my other tutorials. I'll try and link one above here as to a video that has prep in it. And prep is basically getting the cuticles off your nail beds, putting some scratches in your nail beds, using a primer, dehydrator, base coat, all that good stuff. But like I said, I'll leave a video link below. This nail design is very simple. It's super cute. I do have discount codes all down below in the description if you guys want to purchase this gel polish. I also have the link to everything I'm using down below in the description box as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit back now and let you guys watch me work. So here are the final results. Now I'm going in with some Polygel. I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys the bottle. I'm tripping. I don't know why I didn't, but I'm using Rosalind Polygel in the shade Soft Pink. I really like this polygel, and also Burano's Light Pink Polygel is probably my all-time favorite. The only bad thing about Rosalind brand polygel is I noticed the bottles kind of like explode almost. I had to completely throw away some of their bottles because the polygel just oozes out. I would say that's the only thing. And another kind of sucky thing about the Rosalind polygel is that it takes forever to cure. Like forever for this stuff to cure. So I get a lot of questions on cure time. It varies polygel to polygel. All polygels are not created equally. This Rosalind polygel took, I had to keep putting my hand in the lamp because I would take it out and it wouldn't be cured. You also want to make sure when you're doing this that you cure the front side of your hand and flip it underneath and cure the bottom side of your hand. But I probably had to leave my hand in the lamp for a good, after I cured each finger for 30 seconds individually, I did about 1 minute and 30 seconds each way. And I still had to leave my hand in longer than that. It just took forever to cure. But I also want to mention that if you do not have fingerless gloves, you'll want to use sunscreen and put those on your hand before you start putting your hand in the lamp. And you want to do this to protect your natural hands from natural, well, what else would they be, artificial? You want to do this so you don't cause any aging and damaging to your hands. So it's very important that you remember to use sunscreen or put on fingerless gloves before putting your hand in and out of that UV lamp. But this part is super simple. All I'm doing is applying a liberal amount of polygel inside of the nail covers. I'm making sure that the cuticle area is thinner than the rest of the nail. And that's pretty much it. I just take the full nail cover, slide it on my nail. I do some padding. I'll flip my hand underneath and make sure that the underneath of my nails is nice and even, and cure, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to apply my bling, and I'm using this Beetles nail rhinestone glue. I love it. It's like my favorite so far. So I'm using these rhinestones that I got off of Amazon, but all I'm doing here is applying the glue to the area that I know the rhinestones are going in. I'm using this nail picker that I believe came in a Beetles kit as well, and I'm just applying my gems now. It's super easy. All you do is apply them, and then this nail glue cures very fast. So after you finish applying your stones and stuff, this probably took about 30 seconds to harden. So I really love it, and it keeps your stones in place. Like I said, I've had these nails on now for over a week. I'm looking at them now, and not one stone has came off. So this Beetles nail rhinestone glue, oh, and the MAKARRT nail rhinestone glue is top tier. I love it. So now I'm using some top coat by MAKARRT to finish off my nails. So now I'm going in with some cuticle oil, and I actually got this from Target. I say it in every video, cuticle oil is very important, but voila, ladies and gentlemen, look at the final results. Are you kidding? I'm obsessed with these nails. These are my favorite to date. Like, they're so simple, they're so clean, yet so classy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. I can't believe we're almost at 10,000. Today is Thursday, so I'm hoping you guys had a wonderful week, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.